there's nothing to eat.
I'm so tired of eating all the same thing every time.
Hey guys, I have an idea.
Huh?
Check this out. Yummy food challenge.
What's a yummy food challenge?
The rules are simple. Whoever upgrades the food in the best way gets the point.
Oh, that sounds like fun. I'm ready.
Bring it on.
Okay, then let's begin. Here's your first challenge.
Pancakes? I can make a cake. That's my idea.
All right, good luck, guys.
Give it over here.
No, it's mine. Max, you ripped the pancakes.
Oh, well, have fun using those. These are mine.
Are you serious?
So for mine, I'm gonna make an ice cream cake.
Alright, I'll just lift up the pancakes and add a layer of ice cream. Gotta get it spread out evenly.
Okay, now for the next layer.
What am I supposed to do with ripped pancakes? Wait, I can make them into cookies. Using a cookie cutter on pancakes is super easy. I'll make sure to use all kinds of shapes. Alright, I can start decorating. I'll take silver powder, honey, and a drop of red food coloring and mix them all together. And now I'll dip my big star. Alright. And now to decorate the stars, all we need is a mixture of honey and silver powder. Ooh, look how shiny that is. And for the hearts, I'll be using honey and sprinkles. Just add some honey on top and then pour some sprinkles over. I'm done! They're so cute!
Okay, last layer. Oh no, it's melting. I need to hurry.
Quickly, I gotta add the whipped cream. Okay, a strawberry and some blueberries.
Okay, that should be enough. Here, try mine first. It's gonna melt.
Whoa, okay, relax. Huh? What is this supposed to be, Max? Ooh, okay. Tastes like ice cream.
Try my cookie pancakes!
Wow, this looks really good, Lily. Tastes delicious. You get the point. You're off to a great start, Lily. Sorry, Max. This challenge is burgers.
Oh, I love burgers.
Ooh, I know just what to do. First, I'll get rid of all of this. Now I'm gonna add the yummy ingredients. First, some chicken nuggets. Then a handful of fries. Ooh, can't forget the ketchup. And now the bun. That was quick and easy.
That's not bad, but I'm gonna make a healthy burger. First, I gotta take this stuff off.
You can't make a healthy burger without the healthy ingredients.
Last one. Wait, where are all my ingredients?
I don't know, I was working on my burger.
Oh no, I can't serve the judge a plain burger. What am I gonna do? Oh,
Aha, I have my silver powder.
I just gotta make his burger a little shinier.
I just need to sprinkle some powder on and then spread it all over the burger. I need to make sure I get every little area.
Okay, I think that should be good. Oh no, I have to hurry.
Max is taking too long. Can I just get the point?
Give him 1 second, okay?
Wait, I made it. It's here.
Wow, guys, these burgers look great. All right, I'll start with this one.
Oh, I'm so gonna win this one.
Don't be so sure, he still has to try mine.
Max, your burger looks really cool. Oh my god, it's so delicious. Max, you get the point. All right, Max, you're catching up. This challenge will be instant ramen.
Wow! I know the best recipe for this ramen. All I need is milk and an egg. Pour some milk into the pot. Then add some ramen seasoning. While that warms up, I'll crack my egg. Oh no, that's our last egg. I need to put some type of protein in the noodles. Wait, I think we have lobster. Now that I have the lobster, I can go back to making the noodles. Once the milk is hot, add the noodles. Make sure to stir. Now I just need to serve them right next to the lobster with some tongs. All that's left is the green onion on top. Just sprinkle a little on there.
I like to keep it simple. I'm just gonna add some cheese and a few vegetables.
First, I'll add the cheese, then some carrots and green onions.
There, nice and simple, just how I like it.
Whoa, this looks good, but Lily, lobster, you get the point. Lily, you're in the lead with 2 points. This challenge is ice cream!
Yes!
Oh yes, I can add all the best toppings. I'll start with some chocolate syrup and Oreos. Add a couple animal crackers on there.
And now we're gonna finish with a Kit Kat.
I need to place it just right.
For my ice cream, I'm gonna be adding strawberry syrup, berries, and white chocolate. Alright, some strawberry syrup, blueberries. Now add a strawberry on top, and white chocolate. All done! I'm sure Tony will love this!
Oh man, this looks so good. I was ready for dessert. Oh Max, yours is so good. Let me try this one. Hey, this is good too. You both get a point. Great job guys, the score is close. This challenge is Oreos.
Oh, that's easy. The only thing I need to make the perfect Oreo are more Oreos.
Just open up the Oreos and take out the cream with a butter knife.
Once they're all in the bowl, just knead them all together.
After you've rolled it into a ball, start shaping it into a cylinder.
Now that we've finished molding it, we just put it in between 2 Oreos.
The idea's okay, but check out mine. I'm using ice cream. First, I'll open up the Oreo. Now I can add the ice cream. Now that the ice cream's on the cookie, you can put it on a plate. We're done!
Ooh, is this ice cream? This one's really good. Alright, time for this one. Huh? What? How am I gonna eat this? Max, how am I supposed to eat this? You know what? Lily, you get the point. Congratulations, Lily. You won the Yummy Food Challenge. Great job with the challenge, guys.
That was so much fun. Now we won't get bored when we don't know what to eat.
Did you guys like the Yummy Food Challenge? Let us know down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!